Hi guys, Robert Kelly back again with another video, another quick, simple Cajun chicken salad. Everyone's going to really enjoy this one. There's a lot of ingredients to it, but majority you will have in your house already. There's a couple you might want to pick up, but let's get cracking on this one. You're really going to love it. Right, so for our Cajun mix, we have garlic powder, cayenne pepper, smoked paprika, oregano, fresh thyme, white pepper and sea salt. And they're a fantastic mix all put together. We're going to marinate our chicken. Then we're going to make a beautiful salad out of all these ingredients. Then we're going to make our own salad dressing at the end. And we're going to combine the whole lot for a beautiful Cajun chicken salad. So first thing we're going to get going on is the Cajun spice. So that's what we're going to get going on first. Okay, for our Cajun mix, we're going to add a tablespoon of each. Sorry, 2 tablespoons of each. I'm going to make a nice bit. We're going to do 2 chicken fillets. We want to coat them really well. Oregano. Cayenne pepper. So I'm going to give them a good mix. Now, already smells fantastic. Right, so we're just going to get some fresh rosemary, fresh thyme into that now. Just going to pull a few leaves off. Should just come straight off. Now, of course today is the day they don't come off easy for me. So that's typical when the video is on. Anyway, that's it. Now we have some fresh thyme in there. Just pick a few extra leaves. Now we're going to mix them through. You can use dry thyme as well. It's just I think there's more powerful flavour off it if it's fresh. Now, and that's mixed, ready for our chicken fillets. So 2 chicken fillets, you can just tidy them up. Just take that little bit of fat and vein off it. Now some olive oil. Just want to coat front and back of the chicken. Move it in. Now if you like, you can do this the day before and you can just pat it into your mix, leave it like that, cover it up, leave it in your fridge overnight and really let all that flavours go right through the chicken. But doing it straight away is fine too. It's packed full of flavour, so the chicken will take it on straight away. Now, so both of our fillets are well coated. Give them a little pat down. And now we're going to get over to the pan. So now we're going to get our pan on the heat, full heat. While that's doing that, we're going to get our oven ready, 175 degrees. I'm going to cook our chicken for about 10 to 15 minutes, depending on the size. So a nice drop of olive oil in your pan. Let it get hot. Chicken fillets. You want your chicken to sizzle when it hits the pan, so get a nice bit of heat into it. These are going to be absolutely beautiful. Nice bit of spice in it, but not too hot either. Gentle sizzle. Now you might think there's too much oil in that pan, but I'll show you at the end what we're going to do with it. So we get a nice coating on each side, nice colour. Beautiful smells off this already, beautiful colour too. Now, just another minute or two on that side, then we're going to go into the oven for about 10 to 12 minutes. Should do it at this size. If you have larger chicken fillets, you can butterfly them and then marinate them. I'll put them into the oven for less time. But I like leaving the chicken fillet whole, because when it cooks through, when it comes to slices, then it's real juicy and that on the inside. So I like to leave them whole. So there you go. They look absolutely fantastic. Now we're going to get them into our oven. Now while they're cooking, we're going to get working on our salad. So for our beautiful salad dressing, we're going to go with 4 spoons of olive oil. 2, 3, 4. We'll go with 2 red wine vinegar. Should we go with 3? Why not? Now we're going to want a teaspoon of sugar. Teaspoon of black pepper, a half teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of oregano, half a teaspoon of basil, half a teaspoon of rosemary, and just a pinch of sea salt. Now, give that a good mix. Now, a nice teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Nice mix together. That's your salad dressing. It really is as quick and as simple as that. So put that to one side. Now we're going to work on our salad. So for our salad, I have some beautiful baby leaves here. They're washed and dried. So I'm going to get them straight into the bowl. Now, it's entirely up to yourself what you put in your salad, whatever you prefer. Get it in there. Say I'm going to use some beautiful yellow peppers, some red pepper. I have some cucumber, beautiful mixed colour of cherry tomatoes, scallions or spring onion, cucumber, black olives. Like I said, it's entirely up to yourself, whatever you prefer. So, I'm going to finely slice the peppers. Now, if you prefer, just turn them around and give them a little dice too. Now, get all that into your leaves. Now for your cherry tomatoes, just simply cut them in half. That's it. Leave a little bite through the salad. You don't want to cut them up too small. They're absolutely fantastic colours. Really love these little tomatoes. Now get all them in there. Now, for your spring onions, just a quick chop on them too. Put that in there. So there's already fantastic, beautiful colours going through the salad already. Now, some black olives, you can throw them in whole, you can cut them in half. It's entirely up to yourself again as well. Now, black olives in there. For your cucumber, you have a simple peeler at home. Just throw it in like that. You don't have to worry about cutting them up real fine with a knife. Can't get much thinner than that. Throw them in whole like that. You know. Like already, What a beautiful salad. Really, really beautiful. So simple. Then your radish. Let's take the end off. Just chop them up. Get these little bad boys in there. You know, we go for another one. Sure, why not? Yeah. And that's your salad. So that now mixed with our dressing, some of that Cajun chicken on it. Come on, what a fantastic lunch. Or even evening meal if you like, if you want something light for your dinner. This is going to be absolutely beautiful. So we're just going to have a quick look at our chicken. It's in there about 12 minutes now. Wow. Just look at that. Look at the colours. Absolutely beautiful. So we're just going to let that rest now for a minute. That extra oil now. I'll show you what we're going to do with that in a second. That looks absolutely fantastic. I think it's time to get our salad together. So our chicken has rested. So we're just going to get it onto our board. Now it looks absolutely, oh, it smells too absolutely beautiful. So first of all, we're going to get our salad. So our salad dressing that we have made already. Just going to give another quick little whisk. We're just going to get it straight in there. Now, and with our God-given hands, we're just going to toss that through like that. Shake your fingers through the salad. Just make sure everything gets mixed up in it. Don't go in too hard. You don't want to bruise the salad or damage the leaves. So I just want to fairy fingers. Now, so we get our plates. Beautiful salad on there, on the side. Amazing colours through this. Now, that's a quick wash. Now for the chicken. I think I'll bring you closer for this one. Now it's well rested. Absolutely perfect. Onto our plate. Now for the next one. Cooked perfect. Beautiful colours on the outside. And now, for that oil we had left in the pan, I'm going to use it just to dress our chicken. So, just a little bit. Just a little over the top. That's it. Beautiful Cajun chicken salad. And that's it. That's our beautiful Cajun chicken salad. There's a lot of ingredients to it, but like I said, the majority you will have in your house already. It's absolutely fantastic lunch or dinner. Throw a couple of potatoes on the side of it, you know, baby potatoes, boiled, some butter. Absolutely beautiful. That's our Cajun chicken salad. Beautiful fresh dressing. Absolutely fantastic. So that's it, guys. That was your Cajun chicken salad. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Let me know how you get on. Full ingredients will be below the video. I really hope you enjoy it all. Please hit the subscribe, and till next time, cheers, thanks.